am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. The frog leg crunch is a variation of the regular crunch. The frog leg position helps to lessen the involvement of the hip flexor muscles. You are laying supine. You could be on a floor, an exercise bench, or a sturdy table. Make sure that you do not pull on the neck. In this exercise, never place your hands on the neck or on your head and pull while you are performing this exercise. That can lead to pain or symptoms in the neck. You can place your hands on your stomach, on your chest, straight up in the air, or by your sides, whichever hand position works better for you. Your low back and the back part of your pelvis are always going to be contacting the floor during this exercise. Your hips are externally rotated and flexed. Your knees are flexed and your feet are in a position where the plantar aspect of your feet, which is the bottom part of the foot, are contacting each other. When performing this or any type of exercise, always work through a symptom-free range of motion. If any exercise elicits or intensifies symptoms, please stop immediately. Always check with a medical professional before starting an exercise program, and you want to also check with them to make sure this exercise is safe for you. This is a basic core strengthening exercise. You always want to make sure that you start with the fundamental core exercises like abdominal bracing, the pelvic tilt, and the abdominal drawing in maneuver before advancing to a frog leg crunch exercise. Also, you should be performing the regular crunch and then advance to a frog leg crunch. Again, the frog leg crunch helps to lessen the involvement of the hip flexor muscles. When performing this exercise, you can lift the upper body in two directions. You can lift them towards the thigh, or you can lift your upper body straight up. When performing this exercise, you always want to exhale as you are lifting your upper body and then inhale as you are lowering your upper body. Always work slowly and control the eccentric phase of the exercise. The eccentric phase is the negative phase, or the lowering of the upper body. The first motion I'm going to perform is curling the upper body towards the thighs. Again, control the eccentric phase of the exercise. Keep your neck in line with your spine. You don't want to flex your neck or protract your neck. Work very hard to keep your neck in line with your spine. This is going to directly target the rectus abdominis muscles of the core and help to strengthen those muscles, but also will help to strengthen the entire core, because the other muscles are working as assister muscles or as stabilizer muscles. Now, the second direction is lifting the upper body straight up towards the ceiling. Start with the number of repetitions that you could perform comfortably, and then slowly increase the number of repetitions in small, gradual, calculated increments. The frog leg crunch is a variation of the regular crunch. The frog leg position helps to lessen the involvement of the hip flexor muscles. Thank you, everybody, for watching today's video on spine health. Always remember, never perform an exercise that elicits or intensifies symptoms. Always work through a symptom-free range of motion. Always check with a medical professional before starting any type of exercise program. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You can visit my website, championshipchiropractic.com, where you get information on my book titled Running, Maximize Performance and Minimize Injuries. And you can also find my blog on my website. My blog contains articles on spine health, sports medicine, chiropractic, health, fitness, and nutrition. Thank you again for watching today's video. I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada.